Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're unboxing the Hot Wheels Speedwinder's Torque Twister. Wow, this is an experiment with rubber band power. You use the rubber bands to create the power you need to make your torque twister go fast. Just wind it up and away it goes. Open the canopy to add rubber bands. Crank up the power. Customize by hooking on extra rubber bands. You can change the steering. Wind it. Race it. You can combine with the twisted cycle sold separately and go for the ultimate speed record. This works with almost any rubber band. You can also collect these other amazing speedwinders or track stars. This toy teaches you science. Learn all about elastic and kinetic energy. Try different rubber bands to see which one makes your car faster. Calculate how many cranks it takes to get to maximum speed. Let's check it out. Wow, look at these really cool wheels. You can also direct the steering just by turning these wheels around. You can go straight or left or right. The back wheels are bigger than the front wheels. You can open this canopy to add in your rubber bands. How many rubber bands do you think you need? Crank it up, and when you're ready to go, just push this button. It looks like it could go really fast. Let's check it out. Let's try cranking it one time. Push the button and let's see how fast we go. Not very fast. Let's crank it a few times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, do you think 4 times is enough to go really fast? Those rubber bands are really tight. Let's check it out. He's so fast. Whoa, check it out. Just wind him up and away he goes! You can also combine this speed winder with other speed winders. It's super simple! It's so easy to put the rubber bands on. And just like that, we're ready to wind and race. You can also use your extra rubber bands to decorate your car. There's so many different ways to hook them on. The Speedwinder is lots of fun. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.